What's the meaning of conflation? Conflation. Conflation.
Conflation. Conflation. Conflation refers to the act of merging two or more concepts, ideas, or entities into one without acknowledging their differences. This can often lead to confusion and oversimplification in our understanding of complex issues. The result of conflation may be a loss of nuance and a failure to recognize important distinctions. It can also create misunderstandings and miscommunications. In order to accurately understand and address complex issues, it is important to avoid conflating different ideas and instead recognize and respect their individual complexities.